This is easy.
Okay.
Now the easy one should be for Zoe.
Oh, yeah.
There's lots of easy ones.
Oh.
Here's
Okay, Zoe, pick up eggs and put them in your bag. Good job.
This is easy.
Good job.
Yeah. There's eggs everywhere.
There you go.
You got it. Okay, find more.
More
Where's
eggs.
more?
Put more eggs in your
Where's
bag.
more? What
Can you
about
get
you?
more eggs?
I
More
got
eggs. So you put more eggs in your bag.
No, you don't have to open anything. You don't have to open anything.
I found
As
one.
many as you want.
Some have money. Some have candy.
There's one back.
Good job, Zoe.
She got it?
She's got it. Put it in there.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
I found.
Uh-huh, okay.
Put it in there.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Is this stuff?
There's
Are you finding any?
They're getting stuck underneath.
Oh. Come on in here and look. Or in the living room.
Oh, I found one.
Nice. I'm videotaping. Come here, Zoe. Come here. Gorgeous.